Today we're making these Brussels sprouts with hot honey. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. Today we're whipping up these caramelized Brussels sprouts with bacon and hot honey. These are so yummy. They are the perfect holiday side dish. I love making them every Thanksgiving and Christmas. So let's get started. The first part of this recipe is really simple. We are gonna make our own hot honey, and you can definitely just buy your own Mike's Hot Honey at the store, but this recipe is so easy. It's less expensive, and it's only 4 ingredients. We're just gonna add it right into our saucepan. This is a really good one too, because if you wanna double it up and just let people like have some extras, then you can do that too. Okay, once we get that honey in there, we are gonna add just a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This just adds a little bit of acidity to it. We also have a teaspoon of either Frank's Red Hot sauce, you can use Texas Pete, but you want an original flavor. And finally, where most of the heat's gonna come from is these crushed red pepper flakes. We have 2 teaspoons. And we're gonna be straining these out after we cook them, so don't worry, there won't be like chunks in there. In the saucepan, you're gonna bring this to a low or medium-low heat, and you just wanna bring this to a low boil for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Then we're gonna turn off the heat and just let it sit for about a half hour. As that hot honey sits, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We're also gonna trim our Brussels sprouts. So what I like to do is just trim this little edge off, and then we're gonna remove any like yucky parts off the edges that are browned or gross. And you just wanna slice these directly in half. I typically, unless I'm hosting a ton of people for Thanksgiving, I usually only use about a pound because a lot of people, believe it or not, don't like Brussels sprouts. So these are so good though. So if you're like one of those people that don't like these, you definitely need to try these. They're roasted, we've got bacon in them, hot honey. It just doesn't get better than that. Are you guys hosting for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments. This is like the first year that I'm actually not hosting. We're gonna go to Nashville to see my husband's sisters this year, so I'm gonna get a break for once. We're also gonna be slicing up an onion. We only want about a half a cup of yellow onion, just really nice and mild flavors here. And we're just gonna dice this up really fine. Next, we have about 4 slices of bacon. You can definitely do more if you love bacon, but we're just gonna slice this into 1-inch pieces. Once we get our Brussels sprouts cut, we're gonna add them right onto a cookie sheet. And just spread them out just a tiny bit. Next up, we're gonna toss these with some olive oil and salt. I like to really toss these super good. I want them super coated in olive oil. It's just gonna make them bake the best. Then once I toss those, I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. And these are ready to hit the oven. We're gonna throw these in at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and roasted. About halfway through cooking, we're gonna give our Brussels sprouts a nice flip, just so they don't get too charred on one side. Then we're gonna put our bacon into a skillet over medium-low heat and get this nice and crispy, I would say for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna add in that onion, and we're gonna cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes until those onions are softened and our bacon is really nice and crispy. Then just go ahead and turn off the heat. Next, we're gonna strain the hot honey, and I like to just use a small colander in a jar. That way, if you have leftovers, you can just keep it in here. And I use a spoon to kind of just press down on the red pepper flakes to get all that honey out. Once we pull those Brussels sprouts out of the oven, we're gonna add them right into the bacon and onion pan. If there's any like really charred pieces, just leave them right in the cookie sheet. We're not gonna use those. Next up, we're just gonna drizzle some of that hot honey over the top. I like to use like a little bit less than a tablespoon because I don't want it super spicy so people can't eat it. And then I leave the rest just like for people to serve. I like to transfer this to a casserole dish just before serving. And then I'll usually drizzle a little bit more honey on top just so like you can see it. It looks really nice and pretty. This is so good, especially with the bacon. Oh my goodness. Combination is incredible. Make sure you get all those jammy onions in there too. They love to stick to the pan. That's it, we're all done with these roasted Brussels sprouts with hot honey and bacon. This one's so good. I hope you make it for a side dish this Thanksgiving or for Christmas. Let me know in the comments if you make it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for new recipes every single week. I love sharing them with you. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I always forget how good these are, but they're seriously delicious. I ate like 12 already. Yum. My husband came home from work and ate the bacon out. Just stinker.